Here's Lingwen update. This is assembly machine for three-way stopcock. The equipment can implement these 5 plastic parts. Transparent housing, lipid resistance, lock ring, male luer lock, female luer lock. The machine has added a lot of processes in order to ensure the high quality of finished products. It also performs practical inspection systems like torque control, linkage test, fitting all plastic parts smoothly, and the transparent housing, lipid resistance assembly. Well, this machine's crucial technical key points. Lingwen is an experienced and skilled manufacturer for making three-way stopcock machine for years. The machine can be designed to interface with packaging machine as well